In this 60-second stillness, I use this foggy, misty, unclear landscape as an analogy for our current situation. And really to contend that the role of leaders at this time especially is to provide clarity, to be certain as much as we can in any moment and in any day, and in particular to remind us of purpose and to show us that as better world leaders, their purpose is to look through the mist, to take their purpose and continue to remind us of the blue sky that is permanent and sits above and beyond any uncertainty, and that purpose is what gives us certainty. Now just rewind that, have a listen without me to your own mind.